Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress website in computer. So let's start. First of all, open google.com and search download WordPress. Click on first website wordpress.org. This is the official website of WordPress. Scroll down and click on download WordPress 6.0.1 button. It will start downloading latest version of WordPress. Click on Show in Folder option. Now click on this zipped file and extract it. After extraction, copy WordPress folder and paste it into XAMPP htdocs folder. Now go on to localhost/phpMyAdmin and create new database. I am writing WordPress as database name. Now let's set up WordPress website. Go on to localhost/WordPress. It will redirect to setup configuration page. Select preferred language from the list. I am selecting English. Now click Let's Go button. Here in database name field, write name of database that we created in localhost/phpMyAdmin. As you can see, we created WordPress database. We will mention its name here. We have not given any username to our database, so default it will be root as username. In password field, we will leave it empty because we have not given it to our database. Now click Run the installation button. Here we will write site title. You can give it according to yourself. Give username and password to your WordPress website. Enter your email address here. And check Discourage search engine visibility option. Click Login button. Enter your given username and password. And click Login button. So finally you can see our WordPress has been successfully installed. This is its dashboard. You will manage your website from this dashboard. If you want to learn how to install theme inside it, then check my another videos on my channel. I hope this video will help you to install WordPress in your computer. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for latest updates.